What? Just a room, small room, double shop. No, no, no.
Я не знаю, ну, по-моему, там ботинки чинили. Наш магазин вроде бы в порядке. Это реклама, дорогие телезрители.
Just after the auction sign? No, you should right here. I don't think there's even a sign. My word for it.
They're taking down just next to us, well, almost next to us.
You're next to the cross, aren't you?
No, we're next to the oceans.
Want to see him do this one? You want to see him do this one?
It will be next?
Will be.
Yeah. Because this left
Yeah.
wall
Yeah.
completely damaged.
And I went through the roof on it.
Yeah, on the roof of
So that
one
might,
stop
I don't know
market.
what this is going to come to.
Yeah.
That guy that had the tattoo.
But they still damaging the next.
All place they removed it. That's relation. Dumped them.
Yeah.
Done it up nicely.
They were run by the same people, right?
Yeah, I just have this damage.
Yeah, screw machine. He can.
A lot of rubble to cut away. Plenty of rubble to cut away.
Да что кранты магазину чьему-то?
Нашему?
Чьему-то кранты? Это будет следующим.